Hey everybody, let's make some rice, but I'm going to make it in the microwave. I do this quite often because I like rice and I don't, want to cook it on the stove. So I have been cooking rice in the microwave for quite some time and it comes out quite good. I do not use minute rice or anything. This is the actual, boil on the stove type rice. Minute rice does also work, but I don't have that. So I've got a half a cup of rice. So half a cup of rice, and makes the smallest portion. We'll get all that out. I told Steve I need a stand for my phone, because that's usually what I record with, my phone or my tablet. So a cup of rice, half a cup of rice, 1 cup of water, and then so I found some cubed ham in my freezer that I didn't even know that I had, and I only was able to get a few little cubes of it broke apart because it is frozen pretty good. But I've already put that in. I'm on my third cycle, so it'll be my 9 minutes. I've already put the ham in there because it was so frozen solid. I have chopped up a little bit of bell pepper, yellow bell pepper that I had in the freezer, and also I have some fresh green onion that I chopped up that I'm going to put in there as well. So I also got some mozzarella cheese out because I like me a cheesy rice. It has been 9 minutes in my microwave. I have a low wattage microwave. Mine is a 900 watt, so you may need to adjust your cooking time for your microwave. As you can see, my rice is done. All the water is pretty much absorbed in that. There's those ham chunks, ham cubes I didn't know I had. They should be, they're thawed out just fine. So I'm going to mix that up just a little bit. I'm going to put that back in the microwave for about a minute and a half or so, and then all that liquid should be absorbed. Alright, after one more minute, most of that liquid is pretty much absorbed in there. It is very steamy hot. I'm going to go ahead and dump my bell pepper, onions, and cheese in. And then do the old mixy. And see if it needs any additional seasoning like salt. Probably won't need salt. There's probably plenty of salt in there already. But I love cheesy rice. I like to put rice in my cheese, pretty much. I like to put cheese in my rice. And I love to put broccoli in my rice as well. But pretty much anything that I have, vegetable or meat-wise, that I can spare, I will put in there. I'm going to taste this bite and see. Needs a little, no, I still think that's about perfect. So there you go. 10 minutes, and I have a 1 meal rice dish for myself that I made in the microwave. If you guys enjoyed this content, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.